Top 5 most advanced humanoid robots. For about 100 years, man has been trying to create a robot that looks like himself. We are now closer than ever to creating machines that not only become our true helpers, but also replace humans in life-threatening situations. So let us see the top 5 most advanced humanoid robots. Number 5. Talos. Talos from PAL Robotics is designed to perform complex tasks in research and industrial environments. It can walk in rough terrain, talk, see us and the world around us in 3D and use powerful tools. The fully electric robot with 32 degrees of freedom is capable of lifting loads up to 6 kilograms with each hand climbing ladders, drilling holes and screwing nuts. The 175 cm Talos weighing 95 kg can walk at 3 km per hour. But most importantly, the robot has full controls of the force applied and can interact safely with the environment, including humans. A robot walking on Ross can learn a wide range of functions on its own, but first it will have to be bought for 900,000 euros. Number 4. Bipod Exoskeleton. And these are not quite typical two-legged robots, but in terms of usefulness and demand, they will give a head start to any other robot in the top. The California Institute of Technology, together with Wondercraft, is developing an exoskeleton that stabilizes the body position of a paralyzed person without crutches, which is based on neurotechnology. Making the bipod exoskeleton work so closely with the person is a real challenge. Most existing exoskeletons involve using crutches to maintain an upright position. For decades, two-legged robots have been learning to walk without falling, and here the system also has to carry human weight. But the hardest part is creating a neural interface to control the robotic device for such a cost. Factors such as cost, longevity, versatility, and even the desire of patients to use the device are just as important as the technology itself. Today, the first self-propelled exoskeleton has been created. In the future, combining its work with spinal stimulation will provide direct feedback between the user and the device. Number 3. UBTech's Walker. Chinese company UBTech has set a goal to introduce intelligent robots in every home and office. To date, UBTech has received over 700 patents in the field of robotics. And the company's most advanced robot is the humanoid walker, in which 36 high-performance robotics servo motors provide high accuracy of robotic movements. Computer vision system is responsible for detection and tracking of objects. Face recognition and evaluation of human positions. Motion control allows planning the robot's gait, navigating following the target, and is responsible for coordinating the movement. While its LAM technology ensures memory of the room map, route planning and obstacle avoidance. The robot, which is almost 1.5 meters tall and weighs 77 kilograms, can grab and manipulate objects with its hands. While the robot's torso and legs help it maintain its balance, ensuring a smooth and steady gear in challenging conditions. Multimodal interaction ensures voice, vision, and touch. Number 2. Agility's Digit. Agility Robotics has rapidly entered not only into humanoid robot market, but also the two-legged robot market, which is almost empty. The Digit robot, based on the robot ostrich Casey, is positioned as a robot for delivery. The robot arms with 4 degrees of freedom are able to lift boxes weighing up to 20 kilograms, and they also help the robot to keep its balance and stand up in the case of a fall. Digit received from Casey's legs with 5 degrees of freedom, much of which is powered by its own engine. The hips have 3 degrees of freedom like ours, which allows the legs to swing in any direction. The other 2 motors propelled the joints of the knee and foot. Additional degrees of freedom are built into the lower leg and ankle, but they are passive and are not driven by motors, but rather attached to springs that help the robot move through difficult terrain. The latter, a commercial version of the robot, has also received rotation of the foot, which provides stability in case of a push in the side that allows balancing on one leg. The robot perception system includes 4 Intel RealSense cameras used for obstacle detection as well as light on. This robot controls the robot itself. And number 1. Atlas. Atlas is designed by popular robotics company Boston Dynamics. The robot is not designed for a specific application but rather as a research platform. Atlas has one of the world's most compact mobile hydraulic systems, yet it provides a high power for any of 28 hydraulic connections, allowing the robots to perform jumps and flips. The Atlas controlled software does not tell the robot how to move its joints, but uses mathematical models of basic robot body physics and how it interacts with the environment. The ratio of strength to lightness is achieved through the 3D printing. The robot weighs only 80 kilograms at a height of 1.5 meters and can move at speeds of 1.5 meters per second. What's interesting is the fluid that is pumped through the robot's hydraulic system valves is red, and if the system integrity is compromised, literally blood flows out of the robot. The overall control of Atlas is carried out by the operator, but the robot adapts to its environmental changes by itself with the help of stereo cameras and LiDAR. Some of the tasks, such as moving boxes in a warehouse, can be performed by the robot independently. There is no doubt that the company will soon start looking for commercial applications for the Atlas, and hopefully it will not be a military application. Right now, the robot community is working hard to get robots to carry our purchases, parachute into forest fires, collecting real-time data, breaking into burning buildings and natural disaster areas, or a simple task like bringing a glass of water to a lonely elderly person. We'll have to see if the robots can actually be useful in our lives as predicted. Which one of these did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.